Students of the Tutorial High School are now able to revive the school's music class following a donation of steel pans from the Minister of Social Cohesion, Dr. George Norton.
Acting headmaster of Tutorial High School, David Sam, expressed his content with receiving steel pans for the students. He said this will help in creating well-rounded individuals.
We don't want to produce bookworms, if I can say. And so we encourage our children to get involved in activities out of the classroom.
Sam said it is his wish to restore the school's choir since there was one prior to him taking office. Minister of Social Cohesion with responsibility for culture, Dr. George Norton, said he wants to be part of restoring Tutorial to its former glory.
I think for too long, the whole country in the student population has been concentrating too much on passing subjects and getting this 16, 17, 18, 19 subjects, and we're neglecting sports on the whole. I want to get back to those days when sports were considered a very integral part of the life of any student. I want to see when University of Guyana is going to ask for your background in sporting activities in order to enhance your chances of getting into a course.
The steel pan is the only musical instrument to be invented in the last 100 years. Kippany Jordan, InfoHub.